Wake up! Wake up!
Ang aga pa para maging productive, pero subukan natin. Bahala na si Batman.
What's up guys? It's Aves. And nandito na naman tayo for another episode ng vlog ko. Episode 3 na tayo, so medyo nagiging consistent na ako.
Yes. Say it again. Yes. Make me believe it. Yes, yes, yes.
Anyways, yung mahirap para sa akin sa pagbablog is yung editing part. Kasi yung mga footage, madali lang. Pero yung editing part, it could consume most of your day. Pero we're here right now. Nagbablog ako. Hopefully magtuloy-tuloy siya.
Tough time never lasts. Only tough people last.
Today's gonna be a simple vlog. Just a vlog in my life for today. We're mostly gonna do errands. So yung checklist ko is simple lang. First is have breakfast with family, which natapos ko na. Nag-breakfast kami kanina. Number 2, mag-wait tayo ng package from GNC. Nakita ko yung Ghost. Masarap yung whey protein na yun. Marami silang iba't ibang flavor. Hindi ko pa na-try yung Nutter Butter and yung Cinnamon. So in-order ko yun and I think the package is arriving today. Number 3, mag-grocery tayo. Medyo boring pakinggan pero kailangan gawin. And last is mamayang hapon, kapag di na masyado mainit sa labas, pupunta kami ng park ng family, magbabasketball kami, baka mag-soccer, and maglalaro-laro yung mga bata. And we'll try to enjoy my day off. Tara, let's go.
We've already got a package here.
Oh, okay, thanks. Unfortunately guys, hindi ko na-record ang pagpunta namin sa groceries. Sayang kasi nalobat yung phone ko habang papunta kami. Pumunta kami sa Costco and then pumunta kami sa Sam's. Alam ko naman na sinabi ko boring ang pag-grocery pero sayang naman hindi ko na-record. Naipakita ko sana sa inyo ang usually na binibili namin kapag day off ko. Next vlog, promise papakita ko. Time check, mga 5:45 PM na to and papunta na kami sa park. Pero bago pumunta ng park, dadaan muna kami sa car wash. 2 minutes away lang ito mula sa park kaya dadaan na namin. Hey guys, it's me Aves. I'm here with the family dito sa Nevada Trail Park. We're here to stroll. Day off ko kasi ngayon and susulitin natin. Magbabasketball kami maya-maya ng mga kapatid ko. We'll see how that goes. Ito yung itsura ng park guys. Gustong gusto namin pumupunta dito kasi napaka-convenient. Mga 5 minutes away lang mula sa amin. Then malinis yung park, maraming pwedeng gawin, malaki siya. Ayan, may mga nagbabasketball. And then balak sana namin mag-tennis pero yan, may nauna sa amin. Ayan, practice muna sa pag-layup. And then patay, sumabit ang bola. After ng basketball, naglaro kami ng isa kong kapatid ng soccer kasi gusto niya maglaro. And kunyari, ang galing ko, no? Hinihingal na ako dyan. Pero at least, nag-enjoy kami. That's a wrap for today's vlog, guys. Super grateful for this much needed day off. Sabi nga nila, these moments will never come back. Kaya let's make sure to really enjoy and appreciate yung mga rest days natin. Walang rewind ang buhay. So let's make the most out of the present. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See you sa next KLWP vlog. Bye bye guys.